How to see what's currently trending on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to see what's currently trending on TikTok. Okay, straight into it. To see all trends on TikTok, open the app and tap Discover at the bottom. On this page, you'll find a huge list of current trends, including popular sounds, hashtags, and effects. Under each trending item, you'll see information telling you whether it's a sound hashtag or effect, as well as a sample of a few popular videos using it. You can see how many videos have used this trending sound or hashtag in the number indicated on the right. You can scroll sideways to see more videos. Tap a video to watch it. If you tap the name of a trending sound or hashtag, you can see all the videos using it. Tap Add to Favorites to save it for easy access later. To create your own TikTok video using it, tap Join this hashtag, use this sound or try this effect at the bottom. To see a larger list of trending sounds you can use, tap the plus sign at the bottom to begin creating a new video. Then tap Add Sound at the top. Scroll down and select TikTok Viral. Here you'll see which songs are the most popular right now. Tap one to listen to a sample of it, and then tap the check mark to use it in your video. And that's all it takes to see what's currently trending on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.